Angry reaction from community leaders tonight continues to pour in after the controversial punishment given to the man convicted of killing IMPD officer Breanne Leath. CBS 4's Jesse Wells has the details and the outrage over that sentence.
Prosecutors here in court had requested a 63-year maximum prison sentence. Instead, the judge gave Elias Dorsey 25 years in prison, which is below the advisory guideline. Now everyone from the mayor to the police chief and the Fraternal Order of Police believe that decision sends a dangerous message to law enforcement.
He intentionally lowered accountability by 28.5 years. That is a disgrace.
That outrage is directed toward Marion County Judge Mark Stoner, who on Thursday sentenced Elias Dorsey to time served after he was convicted of reckless homicide but not murder for the death of IMPD officer Breanne Leath. Dorsey then got 25 years in prison and 15 years of probation for the attempted murder of his girlfriend during the domestic disturbance in April 2020.
This is a travesty of justice. It dilutes the sanctity of life, the life of Officer Leath.
Indy FOP President Rick Snyder called on Judge Stoner to resign and for a comprehensive review of the Marion County court system.
That not only was a slap in our face, but that was just, you stomped on us.
Breanne's mother is also disgusted by the judge's decision and agreed with Snyder's call for change before more lives are lost.
It's open season. It doesn't matter. You can kill people and say, well, I had a bad day. And there's no consequences.
I will have had longer control and have protected the community longer this way than if I had given the maximum sentence.
For his part, Judge Stoner insisted Thursday that given Dorsey's mental health issues and lack of criminal history, a longer period of probation was justified.
The 15 years of probation means I've got 15 years after he gets out to make sure that he's not a danger.
Still, that explanation didn't appease the police chief or the mayor.
I'm disappointed in where we ended up.
As mayor and as a father, I'm shocked and disappointed in the decision that was handed down yesterday.
Finally, Elias Dorsey does still have the right to appeal both the verdict and the judge's decision. Jesse Wells, CBS 4 News.
CBS 4 reached out to Judge Stoner for comment. He says he's not permitted to talk about the case or criticism of the sentence. He did note the legal system provides appeals for a judicial decision.